So, in a team megamo, la pen mugo manero, don't tie comments, commentation about loko mawane patone. I think you people you misunderstood the video. Mange atini joma kitika commenting jami volleyball pegoni yang pen machel peguti of video pilwane data ke tumo. Pen video nti ke hadith da ke habor sigura rai comment pegoni yang ni video ntika lok ningo. Video machel partika attacking Pato. Atika attacking joma kitika lok nimo Pato. Pen I don't have any evidence Pato lok any angwe. So kai ne na no video any tia on lok volo no comments miu no beru para. You don't Mario, now joking to hey, why don't you confront him? Kao no ni, I was sure I would confront him. Confrontation sometimes leads to something else. So why would I confront somebody? Mapia ni anko logo, onyo logo ko. The reason why I confronting Jomago logo again, not Pato. That is what the people should understand what I'm saying. I think I confronting Jomago logo, but Pato confronting Pato. But kada eno logo, then you come out and tell me, oh Joe, sorry, I logo gonna come on your sorry ko. Piana logo. And so, I beg you logo can makanga to yang video na la u obenyang bene patika attacking Pato. Can the did any. Did you mind my carmene? I can make an kavi me chat comments just because you're a big fan of Pato. And in I mean kumi. And I write your charm, dig me comments or pay tikan. Ngarawa watch anymore. Oh, we are big enough to go to sit down and talk. Sit down and talk about what? Pato pia wacha ni lore koma. Pia confirming andi koma ne pato lore koma. Then why would you sit down? A pebe kitela mo for the pato be kitela mo kera. I make fun of him every time. He makes fun of me every time. Walunga kinying wakero walunga kishan. So Ofonyang tian loka jama mapia chao comments. Luma comments fwa. Mukenda the twelve jama kitia commenting in TikTok. Mwe do se lana mo. Kuti luar data. Get time, watch the entire video. Tida ke habora nge data upe romo. No mugono wile MBs no maroma mia shele. Panera kuri gideoni. So MBs ebe pepa jabedi TikTok. Dari nen video eni tia kwa nyange pe. Ateka attacking Pato in any way, Luciano. Joga bing.